Are you having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi on your iPhone? Don't worry, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot and prevent the problem from happening again. So in this video, we will walk you through in fixing Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone. Here are 4 steps you can take. First solution, restart your iPhone. This is a simple but often effective way to fix many problems with your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and either of the volume keys until you see the power slider appear. Slide the power slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo appear. Second solution, restart your router. If restarting your iPhone doesn't fix the problem, try restarting your router. To do this, unplug the power cord from your router and wait a few seconds. Then, plug the power cord back in and wait for your router to start up. After that, make sure your iPhone is connected to the network and try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, forget the network and reconnect. If restarting your iPhone and your router doesn't fix the problem, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network and then reconnecting to it. To do this, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the blue eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap Forget this network. Once you've forgotten your network, tap on it again and enter your Wi-Fi password to reconnect. If this doesn't fix the problem either, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution, reset the network settings. If you've tried all of the above and you're still having problems, you can try resetting your network settings. This will reset all of your Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings back to their default values. To reset your network settings, open Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm the network reset. After you reset your network settings, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password again. If you've tried all of the above and you're still having problems, you may need to contact Apple support for help. But hopefully, these steps will help you fix your Wi-Fi problems on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.